order up is going to be a Taco Bell. This is $6 going 4.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. Oh, there was no tip on that, because why would there be? Next up is 2 shop and deliver orders for Safeway. This is $18 going like 4 miles. I think it was 7 items. Bro, what the? They just added a bunch of items. I might just unassign this. We'll see. Going back to Safeway for this shop and deliver. This is $13 going 3 miles, 13 items. Two of these. Got the next order right away. This is Victor Rico's, $7 going about 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up is a Starbucks, $6 going 3 miles. Got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $8 going 2 miles, 2 items. I needed a Smirnoff.
Which size?
It's gonna be the smaller one.
Fine.
Calls may be monitored and recorded by DoorDash and service providers for quality.
I had your order down in the lobby.
Oh, yeah, can you take the stairs up to,
Oh, there's stairs.
go to the left, past the gym.
I'll figure it out, yeah. Stairs. Stairs. Meet in lobby usually means meet in lobby. is a McDonald's, $7 going 3 miles.
DoorDash. Thank you.
Thank you. Got this one as I was dropping off. This is Victor Rico's, $7 going just under 6 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is Mr. Maple Donuts, $10 going 6.5 miles.
Have a good one. Thank you.
All in. Plus, get unlimited data included and.
Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $5 going a mile.
It's both of these bags for you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for grocery outlet. This is $9 going 3 miles, 5 items. Yet another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $10 going 5 miles, 3 items.
Attention service desk. 2.
Okay, I'm pretty far away from home, so I think that's it for me. Current time is 9:53. Total ended up with 109. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.